can tell you're not feeling your best today. I know. It's the time of the month again, huh? You don't have to explain yourself. I got you, baby. I know how hard this can be for you. But first things first. Have you had something to help with those cramps? If not, I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Anything you need. Just say the word. And I know this sucks, but I'm right here. I'm right here to help you through it. So if you want to rest, I can stay close. Or if you need any distractions, we can watch a movie. We can cuddle up. And we can just lay there. I mean, sweetie, you really shouldn't feel like you're pushing through this on your own. I'm here to help you. So, let me help you take some weight off of your shoulders. No, sweetie. You always handle everything with so much strength. Right now, just focus on resting, okay? Take it easy. You really deserve it. Here, let me give you a massage. This is gonna help. I wish I could take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything I can to make you feel better. I'll stay with you as long as you need, okay? If you want, we can just lay here and relax. And I'll hold you close. And if you need to talk, I'll listen. Whatever you need, I'm here. You know, you're so strong for getting through this. And I want you to know that it's okay. It's okay to let go sometimes. You don't always have to push yourself right now. Honestly, just let me take care of you. Sweetie, I bought you something. Got a surprise for you. I got you this, water bottle thing. It's in the shape of a bear. You're supposed to, heat it up and put it on your belly, and it's supposed to make you feel better. So, let me go heat this up for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetheart. I'm back. Let me put this water bottle on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Sweetie, scoot over a bit. Let me lie down right next to you. You know, sweetie, I was thinking about how we first met. Back in college. I mean, it feels like a lifetime ago, but I can remember it so clearly. I remember when I was running late to class. Typical me, right? I was rushing through the hallways, trying to make it before the professor notices me. And then, out of nowhere, I bumped right into you. And I would never forget your face. You looked so shocked. You looked so startled. You dropped all your books, went flying in the air. I felt so bad. I remember kneeling down, scrambling, trying to pick every single book and paper up. I apologized over and over. And you just laughed. And that laugh I'll never forget. It was the first thing that I noticed about you. I don't know why, but from that moment, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you. Something special. And I'm so glad to bump into you that day. It changed everything for me. Then after a while of getting to know you, I asked you to study with me one day, and from there we just became study buddies. And I remember how we used to study late at night in the library. You were always so focused. I mean, I would just sit there pretending to read. But really, I was just watching you. I couldn't help it. It was so mesmerizing. How dedicated you were. How passionate. And that's what I love about you. I remember you used to always catch me staring at you. And I would just make up some kind of excuse. But I think you knew. I couldn't stop how lucky I was to have you. How lucky I am to still have you and met you. To have you in my life. You always had this way of making things feel right. Even when things are tough. That's why I'm so grateful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. And right now, I just want to do the same for you. So, tonight, let me take care of you. You don't need to worry. You don't need to stress. Everything's gonna be okay. Sweetie, I want to cuddle. Come cuddle. Come here. Come on close. You got the most beautiful eyes in the world. You really do. Your eyes are something special. They are. I mean, I'm not saying this just to impress you, but they are. It's like, and they sparkle when you talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Like you have this unique beauty that I can't help but notice, you know? But on the real though, you should really be careful. With eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You stole my heart. You know, you, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. You really, really do. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. It really does. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. Except for me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips move. It's just so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know how much I appreciate you. I do. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth. They hold so much kindness. It makes it so comforting to be with you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. But your lips are just a part of it. And then your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ear. Like that. And the hair looks so soft and beautiful. And then I love the way how your hair shines in the light. It just glows and I get lost in it. Your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And then I love running my fingers through your hair. It's so silky and smooth and soft. And when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. There's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. And in your face, all this just kind of makes up your face. I mean, you got the most beautiful face in the whole world. You really do. Every time I look at you, you just light up my world and you just make my day brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day ever. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single expression that you have is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but